Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be playing Fortnite! Guys, today, we'll be playing Fortnite. Oh, no, I don't know. For today, and also, and today, wait, hold on guys, let me just do something real quick. Guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, and let's get it. Oh? Oh? But actually, guys, no, wait, no. I accidentally. Oh, shit. Guys? Shut up, kid. It's 1v1. Oh no, guys. Guys, I gotta tell you something. I am not actually good at 1v1s. I just got into this game and that's why I'm gonna leave the party. Guys, I'm sorry for that. What just happened? And no, today we're gonna play solos. Guys, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, and let's get it, boys! Alright. Guys, I'm just letting you know, I am not playing this game on PlayStation or Xbox. I'm playing on my PC, my laptop. Wait. Oh my god, it's copyright! Oh my god! What? Why was there copyright music there? Why? Now I'm just gonna shoot this person right in the head. And to die. I'm gonna shoot you and to die. Okay, gone. Oh yeah, bud, let's get it. God, what should you drop? What should you drop? Do you know what? I never go to Wailing Woods, so I'm just gonna Wailing Woods once. Guys, over there, that's Hunter's Haven, but I've been there before and I couldn't find any heals. Hey guys, do you want to change the location? I'm changing the location. I'm not sure if I can go down. A present? Oh heck yes, but man. A present. I found a present. And guy, I'm just letting you know, uh-huh. The police are gonna have good luck trying to catch me alive. Guys, I froze his feet 2 times and ran away. You know what? 2 trespassers. But I know you're this guy. There you go, use trespassers. And the only gun I have here is this. Um, oh, the butter bond. Oh no. Guys, I don't think I can make it. Let's try to slide down here. That's the butter barn. Come on down to the butter barn. Yeah, I've been here. So, the only weapon I got is this thing right here. Only have is, what is this? The big chill. What? What the hell is his name? Guy, I need to know, in the first season, was this weapon bolted? Open the third gun that's right there. Yes, I need to know, is that gun bolted? Let me know in the comments. Oh, more gold! Yay! Oh, no! Oh, look, more gold! Yay! What just goes everywhere? There's gold everywhere. Why is there so much gold? I need to know something real quick. Why there's so much gold in the middle? And also guys, how do I get this and a new wrap on my gun? Well, how am I gonna explain it? But see, I played this game off camera and grind for a bit. Survivor, 15 players remaining. Oh yeah. Guys, this is a good gun, but guys, wait, is that the oh fuck. Aha! Guys, I need to get away from me first. I need more gun. I need a better gun. Oh, he lost me. He lost me. He lost me. Thank God. Guys, wanna know who was that? That was the legit Mandalorian, and it was so hard to kill, and I think I did a little bit of damage to him. So, yeah, guys, I am going to find him, gear up, Oh, guys, let's go find them. God, I legit saw him once, and I'm not sure where he is. What the heck is the Mandalorian? What the heck is this guy? What the hell? Oh. What? Guy, I'm just trying to find the Mandalorian. No! Are you kidding? No! Are you serious? Guys, I have a plan. We're gonna take down the Mandalorian first try because, I will take him out. I am going to. Here's my plan. I'm going to play again, go to the middle, get some guns, fight the Mandalorian, and then kill him. Kill him and Baby Yoda at the same time. It's time. Hail to the First Order. Yeah, got them for this Star Wars. Guys, make sure you tell me if you're a Star Wars in the comments. And what is your favorite? Would you guys, do you like the Empire or the First Order more? I need to know. Wait for other players. Oh, come on. Let's see these women. You have 5 seconds to like cross this room to get shot. 5, 3, 2, 1. You failed. You failed. You guys failed. Guys, you failed. Why? Why? Guys, my screen recorder doesn't take. It stops like jet automatically as it reaches to 15. I'm scanning the area. I'm scanning the areas for him. Oh no! Oh, come on, guys. Guys, I got a cool fear. If you ever guys to Fortnite, do not now go to the middle. Well, anyways, guys, I made the video up here. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if new. And I will see you all later. Peace out.